Panagdait everyone! Today we are going to show you how to operate. This is how you operate washing machine. First, you need to put some water on the machine. Second, put some amount of powder and here in the washing machine.
Third step, turn the knob to operate the machine so you can dissolve the detergent in the water.
Fourth step. The fourth step is you need to separate the darker color and the light color. Like this. You need to separate it like this. Fifth step. You need to put the lighter color to the washing machine before the darker color.
Sixth step. It is better to soak white or light colored clothes for 15 to 30 minutes to soften dirt and stain.
The seventh step, you need to, close it because you will don't know what happened. Then you need to turn the wash timer to 10, or like you need to go. You just put it whenever you like it. Then eighth step, when the wash timer is done, you open it. Then just wait a minute. You take it, and when you take it, you puga-puga it. When you puga it, when you're done, put it in the dryer. Tara. Na. Butang na dyan po ni mo. Man. So, wala na siya. Wala na siya. Then, you put it there. You lock it. You dry it. When you dry it, don't mind that. You will repeat the same process on the step 9. Like the step 7 and 8, you will repeat it again. Then after that, the step 10, you drain it. When you drain it,
That is all for operating the washing machine. Let us proceed to cleaning the washing machine.
To wash the washing machine, you must scrub the top, sides, and the front of the washing machine with soap and water. You must scrub it clean with soap and water.
step 3. Two cups of bleach in order to disinfect the bacteria.
Fourth step. Run the cycle and drain.
Doesn't have a bleach dispenser, so we're just gonna skip.
Time to drain.
Time to drain.